The last two sentences I wanted to sign today are asking somebody else, what is your name? Yep, Desiree, that's where we're headed after what is your name. We're doing my name is. Very intuitive, Desiree. So we've got what is your name? Now, again, this will help you see, just like we talked about in the objectives of the class, you'll be able to see the grammar structure and how different it is. So if you took Spanish or French in high school, you're going to have an advantage here with American Sign Language because the grammar is a lot more like Spanish and French than it is English. So for what is your name, you would sign you, name. So this is my dominant hand, and I have the U hand shapes or the H hand shapes. And the dominant hand is on top, and I do a double tap. Name. Name. So you, name. And then I would say what. So the eyebrows go down. What? 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 You. So again, that grammar structure is you, name, what, you. You, name, what, you. So I'm going to type that grammar structure into the chat so that you can see it. You, name, what, you. That is how you ask, what is your name? Now, how do you answer that question? You would say me, by pointing at yourself, me, name, same way as it when we asked, me, name, and then you finger spell your name. T-A-N-Y-A.